Hi, this is Metal Steve. The thing you hear right now is a plane, I think. It sounded like some kind of synth sound, and then the plane was after it, and I couldn't get the camera up. It was just this big bassy I swear to God, man, it was so weird. Oh my God, maybe you caught the tail end of it on the video right as it starts. I thought it was going to get metal as hell up in here for a sec. What the heck was that? What the hell was that? Alright, this is Metal Steve signing off. There's all these planes, like an X-axis or something, going off on the poles of like the shape of an X. Whatever the hell that was, there's now all these planes up here. It was like, I was like, what the hell? I'll see if I can get it. This is not the first and only time I've heard that. I'll see if I can get this on video. Alright. This is Metal Steve signing off now. Later.